We start this course by focusing our attention on Ionic, what it is and what it can do for us. Ionic is an SDK, software development kit, which relies on Angular 2 as JavaScript and which has a native command line to give the indications and instructions needed to create applications for different platforms, Android, Windows, and Apple iOS. Ionic has enormous potential that comes from being perfectly integrated with Apache Cordova, the powerful platform of web applications building. At the moment we are talking, Ionic 3 is already fully operational, but the guidance you will find here in this course is fine for both Ionic 2 and Ionic 3. Before starting with the creation of applications, we must build a complete environment with all the necessary components to deal with development. First, we have to install node.js by downloading the latest version at nodejs.org. Then we have to do the same with Git, going to the site gitscm.com. We have to prepare TypeScript, typing in the command line the instruction npm install TypeScript G. And similarly, we have to do the same to install Apache Cordova, using the command npm install g Ionic Cordova. Last two steps to complete the setup of Ionic environment, you have to install a text editor of your liking, and for example, it can be Atom. Atom is the text editor I prefer. Or even Microsoft Visual Studio that many users find easy to integrate with the Windows operating system. Finally, we have to install the Ionic command line interface by simply running the Ionic command. If you have completed all these steps, congratulations! You are ready to start a new project with Ionic 3. And now it's time to proceed with the next lesson.